Is your iPhone footage lagging like crazy in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or other video editing apps? Here's what's actually happening. When you shoot video on an iPhone, it usually records in HEVC, also known as H.265. HEVC is great for saving space. It compresses video really efficiently, but that also makes it much harder for your computer to decode while editing. So your timeline starts lagging, playback becomes choppy, and everything slows down. The fix is simple. We're going to convert your footage into MP4 format using H.264 codec. This format is much easier for editing software to handle, and you'll instantly get smoother playback. Any video converter is a free, beginner-friendly software supporting batch conversion, so you can save time and don't have to mess with complicated settings. Alright, let me show you how to fix this step by step using any video converter. First, open the software and click Format Convert. Then select all your iPhone clips and drag in. Next, go to the Output Format section. You can find over 1,000 plus video and audio formats here, so you can pretty much convert anything you throw at it. Choose MP4 and make sure the video codec is set to H.264. If you're not sure about advanced settings, just set same as source. Now just hit Convert Now. And that's it. The software will process all your clips at once.